Namaste everyone. Let us discuss one more case study, that is, John and Priya went for a small picnic. After having their lunch, Priya insisted to travel in a motorboat. The speed of motorboat was 20 km per hour. So what is given in the question? The speed of motorboat is 20 km per hour. Then Priya, being a mathematics student, wanted to know the speed of current. So she want to know the speed of current. Let us suppose it equals to a variable. So let the speed of current is equals to x km per hour. Then so she noted the time of upstream and downstream. She found that for covering the distance of 15 km, the boat took 1 hour more for upstream than downstream. What she noted down? That to cover a distance of 15 km, the motorboat took 1 hour more for upstream than downstream. So we know that when the boat is running downstream, the speed will be speed of boat downstream will be speed of boat plus speed of stream. It will be 20 plus x kilometer per hour. Then when the boat is running upstream, the speed of boat upstream will be speed of boat minus speed of stream, that is 20 minus x kilometer per hour. So if the speed of boat downstream is 20 plus how much time it will take? So the time will be equals to distance upon speed, that is 15 upon 20 plus x. And whether upstream, the time will be 15 upon 20 minus x hours. So now let us see the questions. The first question is, let the speed of stream is x km per hour, then speed of motor boat upstream will be, so first question is speed of boat upstream. Upstream means opposite to the current. It will be 20 minus x kilometer per hour. Then the second question is, what is the relation between speed, distance and time? So we studied in previous classes, we know that distance equals to speed into time. This is the relation between distance, speed and time. The third question is, what is the correct quadratic equation for the speed of current? Now see, we have to frame a quadratic equation. We have to see the relation. What it says, that the time taken upstream, that is 15 upon 20 minus x, will be equals to the time taken downstream, that is 15 upon 20 plus x plus 1 hour more. So simplify it now, bring this to the left side. This will be equals to 15 upon 20 minus x minus 15 upon 20 plus x is equals to 1 hour. Now take LCM. LCM will be 20 plus x whole multiplied by 20 minus x. 20 plus x whole multiplied by 20 minus x. And in numerator part we have 15 whole multiplied by 20 plus x minus 15 whole multiplied by 20 minus x will be equals to 1. Simplify it now. In numerator part we have 15 to the 30, so it will be 300 plus 15x minus 300 minus 15 into minus x will be plus 15x upon, here you can use a plus b whole multiplied by a minus b, which is equals to a square, that is 20 square minus x square is given equals to 1. Now simplify it. 300 is cancelled with 300, and here we have 1 in the denominator. 15 plus 15 is 30x upon 20 square is 400 minus x square as it is equals to 1. Upon nothing is there, you can put 1. Cross multiply now. This will be equals to 30x will be equals to 400 minus x square. Bring this to the left side and your equation will be 30x minus 400 plus x square equals to 0. Rearrange it and the quadratic equation will be x square plus 30x minus 400 equals to 0. So the answer of third question will be x square plus 30x minus 400 equals to 0. Fourth question is, what is the speed of current? So to find out the speed of current, we have to solve this equation. So let us simplify it. Its factors will be x square plus, now we need two numbers whose sum is plus 30 and product is minus 400. So the numbers are 40 minus 10. So 40x minus 10x minus 400 equals to 0. So make pairs. X is common in first pair. Inside we have x plus 40. Then minus 10 is common in first pair. Inside we have x plus 40 will be equals to 0. X plus 40 is common. Take x plus 40 common. Inside we have here x and here minus 10 equals to 0. So the product of two numbers is equals to 0. Therefore, either x plus 40 is equals to 0 or x minus 10 equals to 0. From here what we got, x will be equals to, take 40 to the right side, will become negative, is equals to minus 40, and x equals to, take 10 to the right side, it is 10. So the speed of stream cannot be negative. Therefore, speed of stream is stream, or you can call current also, is 10 km per hour. And the last question is, how much time boat took in downstream? So we know that downstream speed was 20 plus x. So this was equals to 20 plus 10, which is equal to 30 km per hour. And the distance was equals to 15 km. And therefore, time will be distance upon speed, which is equal to 15 upon 30. This is 1 upon 2 hour, or you can say 30 minutes.